You searched how to buy shares of Dover Corp. Dover is a diversified industrial company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DOV. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DOV to find Dover Corp. Confirm you select the correct listing on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the Dover Corp page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a market/limit order depending on your selection, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Find the example link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform.